my biggest prayer for Lebanon comes from myself as a previous banker, that I pray to God to do a miracle in our country from the economic side because of the economic situation. The deflation of the local currency is 60 times than before, and most, if not all, the people of Lebanon are become poor. Why? Because those who are depositors and have deposits in banks, they cannot retrieve their money at all. All the deposits are blocked in the bank, and this made the Lebanese people in general poorer and poorer and poorer. It needs a miracle. The government is working with the World Bank and the IFC, but they did not find yet a solution. I think it needs a solution from above. And this will reactivate the economic situation in the country, enabling us to do more livelihood projects, to do more successful projects, even if small businesses. So this is my prayer personally.
They are all traumatized, believe me. They cry, please, we need help. So I start calling this organization who can support this fund. Lately, before I came, this same morning, I called many people, but we are on the waiting list to get some help. I want them to enjoy living with the Lord, taking this period of fleeing as a period of knowing the Lord better, know His plan for them. That's my prayer.
In Lebanon, we're facing many problems, especially in the war between Lebanon and the countries around us, Israel and Syria. And the people, and we face also the economic collapse. We're facing many problems in Lebanon. So Lebanon needs a lot of prayer. We need a lot of prayer for Lebanon, special prayer for peace. We need peace. We need to be safe. We need to build our houses on the rock of Jesus, because we believe that there is no peace without the Lord of peace, Jesus Christ.